Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 bicycle fork suspension. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected SUNTOUR RAIDON mountain bike fork. Specifications: brand name, SUNTOUR. Suspension, yes. Wheel size, 29-inch. Material, alloy. Model number, Raidon. Use, mountain bikes. Fit for, disc brake. The item number 2 is Himalo MTB BH fork downhill. Specifications: brand name, Himalo. Suspension, yes. Wheel size, 29 inches. Material, magnesium alloy. Stem size, 28.6 mm. Model number, DH680. Use, mountain bikes. Blade length, 380 mm. Fit for, disc brake. On the top of our list at number 1 we have bologna bicycle air fork. Specifications: suspension, yes. Wheel size, 29-inch. Material, magnesium alloy. Origin, CN origin. Stem size, 28.6. Type, oil and gas fork, air resilience/oil damping. Model number, FK004. Use, mountain bikes. Blade length, 100 mm. Fit for, disc brake. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.